Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is all-time favorite starter recipe, crispy and dry Gobi Manchurian. Let's start the preparation. Take medium size florets, cauliflower florets. Let's blanch it. Boil the water, add half teaspoon of salt and add 20 to 25 florets to the boiled water. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Drain off the water. Add cold water to stop overcooking of florets. Now transfer the florets into mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half teaspoon of chilli powder. Sprinkle some water. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix and combine the florets with maida and corn flour and rest it for 10 minutes. Now heat oil. Once the oil heats, drop the florets gently into oil and deep fry it in low to medium flame until the florets turns crisp and golden brown. Deep fry it evenly. Once it turns golden brown, transfer it. Now heat another pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, add finely chopped onion and toss it in high flame. All Indo-Chinese recipes should be cooked in high flame so that you get smoky flavor. Add finely chopped spring onion, one tablespoon of tomato sauce, half teaspoon of soya sauce and half teaspoon of vinegar. Toss it all in high flame. Now add deep fried florets and combine it well with sauces. If you need gravy, you can add corn flour slurry. Once it combines with sauces, turn off the flame. Now the yummy Gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy the recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe Nandoos Cookbook channel for more.